Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to send BUSD from your Coinbase wallet to Gemini in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, this step-by-step guide will help you move your funds securely and efficiently. Whether you're looking to diversify your holdings or just switch exchanges, this process is straightforward once you know the ropes. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Coinbase Wallet and Gemini. If you haven't already, download the Coinbase Wallet app or log into the website, and do the same for Gemini. Always double-check that your accounts are verified and secure. Crypto transfers aren't reversible, so safety is key. Step 1. Open your Coinbase Wallet and navigate to your dashboard. Look for the Assets or Wallet section and find BUSD in your list of holdings. If it's not there, you might need to add it first. Next, select BUSD and hit the Send or Transfer button. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's address. Head over to your Gemini account, go to the Deposit section, and generate a BUSD deposit address. Copy that address carefully. Double-check for any typos, as they can lead to lost funds. Now, back in Coinbase, paste the Gemini address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of BUSD you want to send, and don't forget to review the network fees. In 2025, most BUSD transfers use the BEP20 network on Binance Smart Chain, so select that if available to keep costs low. Before you confirm, take a moment to verify everything: the address, the amount, and any gas fees. Once you're good, hit send and wait for the transaction to process. This usually takes a few minutes, but it can vary based on network congestion. And just like that, your BUSD should appear in your Gemini account. Always keep an eye on your transaction status using blockchain explorers like BSC Scan. Pro tip: enable two-factor authentication on both platforms to protect your assets. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you next time.